I'm sure you've heard the news by now. Tesla's stepping into the robot game, and it's happening fast. Elon Musk just announced that Tesla's humanoid robots called Optimus will be rolling out next year. Picture this, robots doing all those tedious tasks we humans can't stand. Initially, Tesla will use these bots in their own factories, but by 2026, they'll be up for grabs for other companies too. Now, Musk is known for his ambitious timelines. Sometimes he hits, sometimes he misses, but he's shooting to have Optimus ready for this year's end, and by next year they'll be in low production for Tesla's internal use. And if all goes well, mass production starts in 2026. Here's the kicker, these bots are expected to cost less than $20,000 each. That's a pretty sweet deal for a robot that can handle unsafe, repetitive, or boring tasks. Musk's big reveal came right before Tesla announced its latest financial results, which saw a nice 5% bump in shares. Keep your eyes peeled because the future's looking all kinds of robotic.